So this is our docking drawer blade duo. It has been installed by our contractor. It's got 4 USB-C outlets and 4 20 amp regular outlets. Our contractor had to make a couple different modifications to make this work because the specs call for a minimum of 2 inches from the back of the drawer to the back of the cabinet. We only had 1 inch, so he has to actually take this back, the back of the drawer, and move it about 1 inch forward to give room for the whole mechanism to work. The specs also call for a minimum of 3 inches in height of the drawer. Our drawer is only 2.5 inches, but it still works because you see the trim plate. It just sits just above the back of the drawer. And here's the drawer opening, and there's the arms that come out. The power cable is neatly hidden within the arm, and then it is plugged into the outlet back here. We like the product. We're satisfied with it. It looks good. It's very clean. If your drawer doesn't, the specs don't exactly fit, don't be discouraged. Your contractor could potentially make several modifications to make the docking drawer work.